Welcome to Yay.com. Today we'll be walking you through the first of two new methods of deploying our VoIP apps to your staff. This automatic deployment method is the faster of the two and great for deploying our apps to a lot of users at once. For brand new accounts, this is perfect. Please note, only SIP users that have not been altered or configured in any way will be eligible for automatic deployment. This protects any pre-configured users you may have. User extensions will be assigned automatically, though these can always be edited later. Once we're logged in, we'll head to the Apps panel of the Voice section of the dashboard. Once here, we'll generate a company code at the top left if we don't already have one. Then, we'll toggle Automated Deployment to On, and from here, it's up to your staff to download the app and input their phone number and the company code. Once the user's phone number is entered, they'll be prompted to type in the SMS verification code they'll have received. Now, it's time for the company code you generated earlier. All that's left to do is to enter some identifying details and hit enter, and your app will be successfully linked with the next available unconfigured user in your account. If we go now to the final page of our account SIP users, we can now see our newly registered user assigned here to the first user eligible for automatic deployment, which is extension 1042. If you were to deploy the apps to 500 users, this would work in exactly the same way, with new users being allocated to extensions 1043, 1044, and so on a first come, first served basis. Thanks very much for watching. In the next video in this series, we'll be covering our manual deployment method, which gives your account admin control over which user gets which extension.